What's going on, guys, and welcome to Fishing POV. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of National Anglers Association's February box. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's see what's in this box. As you guys can see, I've been doing a little maintenance and cleaning and stuff like that on my rods and reels. Reels come last. Rods are pretty much first, get them cleaned up, and then the hard part is the reels. So, let's see what we have here. First thing that we have here is Angler of the Month. This is the Instagram username. It's West_Michigan_Angler, and that's February 2018's Angler of the Month for National Anglers Association. Alright, so keep in mind, guys, you guys can win a box as well. All you got to do is hook a bass using the lures, take a photo of your catch and share it on Facebook or Instagram using the hashtags NAA catch. That's NAA catch. And make sure to let them know what lure you caught them on and, yeah, what lure you used to catch them on. So there you go. Alright, so the next thing on the card here is the Lure Company of the Month. So Lure Company of the Month is Mudbutt Baits. Alright, so let's dig into this here really quick. First one I'm going to show you here is the 4-inch mud bug. Right here. Take this out, show you guys. So this is basically it's a dark gray, smoke kind of gray with blue flake. Pretty close to black, but not quite black. If you guys can see that there. You can split the tail, make those appendages move a little bit more. Some little legs on the sides and stuff like that. You rig this Texas style with a worm weight on the end. You could probably even punch with this. It's got a pretty thin profile. Great probably for getting through some of the thick cover and stuff, and it's got a solid body as well. Got that one. Next we're going to do the 4-inch Devil Craw Junior Creature Bait. This one right here is a purple with blue flake. There's a bunch of appendages here. You guys can see that. It's got the little ribs here. Kind of pushes water a little bit, creates bubbles, stuff like that. Attracts the fish. They see something going on over there. You see the bubbles. They think it's another fish or something like that moving around or moving some stuff around, creating bubbles. You can Texas rig this as well. Maybe use a small worm weight on that. Drag that on the bottom. Alright, so the next we're going to check out is the Samurai. I'm assuming that's what it is, Samurai Swim Bait. It's hard to see with the white background. But this is... Oh, actually there's a bunch of different sizes in here. Or a couple different sizes it looks like, so I'm going to show you both here. So you got one that's about roughly 5 inches. You can see that. It's got the ribs in it as well. Pushes water, creating bubbles, stuff like that. And then you got the smaller one, which is identical, just smaller. It's got the little ribs and stuff like that. That's probably about a 2.5 inch. And I don't think there's any other sizes. Yep, that's basically it. Those two sizes it looks like. And then you got the 4.5-inch ringworm. What a name, ringworm. You guys, you don't want to get ringworm. This right here is a chartreuse color with some black flake in it. Again, it's got the ribs, so you can see, push some water, create bubbles again. This is basically what it looks like. It's got a little grub style tail. You could rig this Texas rigged Use this maybe even on a chatterbait as a trailer. Maybe cut some of the end off or whatever. You could use it, like I said, on a chatterbait for a trailer or even a jig trailer, something like that. That's what it looks like right there. And they also give you some hooks, which look like they'll work pretty good with all these lures except for maybe the smaller swim bait. So you see right there, they give you about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, it looks like. It looks like a 4/0 hook to me, and that's what they gave me with this package right here. So that is your National Anglers Association February box. You guys go check those guys out. They work with American small businesses, obviously fishing-oriented businesses. They also give back to charity. So every time you buy a box, a certain portion of that goes to a charity of your choice. You get to pick from 3 of them. So you guys go check those out. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by Fishing POV and checking out this video. Don't forget to check out the links at the end of the video. There's links for other videos. There's links for the website and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and as always, fish on.